these raspberry runners have come off these other raspberries, and of course they grow right either into the path or right in the way. So just blocking this path, like that one is right in the middle of the way. So before I do anything else, I need to get rid of them. I'll keep this one and one of the other ones to fill in the gap where here Tim took some of these raspberries that were here. So I need 3 to fill that gap, and then they can be tied to this wire here. This was a sweet yellow autumn fruiting raspberry, and it sent suckers out, one this side of the path and one this side, and there's a little one here, but this is actually within the bed, so I'm going to leave that one alone. So I'm going to take these and move them over here. I was hoping to wait till they're good dormant, but it's nearly Christmas and they're in the way, so they've got to be moved now. Now when moving or removing raspberry runners, it's important to remember that when you dig them out, they're still attached to the mother plant. So when you pull them out, you've got to make sure that you cut the connecting root and not pull it out. And same rule applies whether you're moving them or just chucking them in the bin. So you can see, if I get through this lot, this on the ground root is connecting the runner back to the mother plant. So I need to cut this. And now I can take this out, clean the grass off it and replant it. So there's the root ball, and you can see the young shoots. So I'm going to keep it at a level and not bury these. So just dug a hole here. Just going to cover it. Push the roots in. Fill them in. Now we're due for a heavy rainfall this afternoon, and this ground is really wet, so I'm not too worried about it drying out, but normally I would water them in.